Alright, so we have a question here, and basically this is a program that uses the computer to pick a random number, and we want the number to be different every time the code is run. And the rand, srand, and the rand max, they are responsible for that part, that's picking the number or picking a random number using the computer time or the clock on the computer. Alright, so we'll move to code block and write the code. Alright, so we've declared our variable n, and we said srand times 0, n is equal to rand modulo rand max. So this modulo here is to ensure that the number is not too big. We don't want too large or too big a number. We just want an okay number. So from here we're going to throw our if statement. So now we're saying if the number n is greater than 0, if it's greater than 0, we want the code to print we have to put our format specifier. So this is an integer, so it's going to be %d. We'll say is positive, and we'll put a new line, go to the end, put our comma, and put the name of the variable, and we close the line. So else, so we're saying if it is not greater than 0, else if the number n is exactly 0. So if n is exactly 0, we want this code to print with our format specifier, that's a %d is 0, and we put our new line, go to the end, put a comma, and put the name of the variable, and then close the line. So if it is not any of this, we'll now say else print else prints the number is negative. Number is negative. So put our new line, go to the end, put a comma, put our n, and close. So basically, I think this will be our code. If n is greater than 0, print the number is positive, and if s is exactly 0, you say the number is 0, and when it is less than 0, we say the number is negative. So let's build and run. So you can see we have a number here. It picked a random number and it says it is positive. Now if I go back and run this code again, it's going to pick another number. Take note, the number is going to change. So you can see the number has changed. We have 10,683. So each time you go back and run the code again, the number is going to change. Let's try again. The last one was, you can see the number changed. So that's what the code is supposed to do. Anytime you run the program, it will change. All right, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.